spider webs off this motherfucker right here.
That's up to you. Appreciate it. Hold my beer.
Maybe he'll make another run of orders for this event. You can say you're here, you just have to pick it up at a later date. So, if you're looking for an event shirt, go tell Warr soon, and he'll take down your information and. At 10:57 out of the Mustang. All right, so we're gonna take a break, a short pause for the cause.
Motherfucker owes me a burger.
Wait, is that right?
All right, so a little more than a shakedown pass, but the pass was supposed to be no boost, motor only, you know, just whatever wastegate, no CO2 is what I should say, which is what we did. But apparently there's some issue with the ice tank because it dropped water everywhere.
Royal coming up in the left lane.
Have to figure out why and try to solve it so that he can
hard
make
hit
it.
last weekend.
All these nice cars out here. We got Z06. Z06 over there, sighting. It's good. Lambos. Once you see one Lambo, you see them all. Right?
Coached him through it. I know what I'm talking about.
Sweating your balls yet or what?
Is that you?
Chilling? Got the AC on?
Yeah,
Yes, gotcha.
Freaking hot
right here,
rocket.
full blast.
You see how they lined it up? They put the fast S10s in the front and then the slower ones.
That makes sense. Makes a lot of sense.
He qualified faster than you, but
How fast did he go?
I have no idea. But the size of that turbo says a whole lot about the engine size. I mean,
shots too, bro.
Does he?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you know.
Is it turbo satin or black?
This car makes about 4,000 horsepower. It is a
4,000
screw-blown Hemi. It is a legit outlaw pro mod car.
When is he gonna start?
This car should easily go.
I can't hear myself talk with it.
This is also the loudest car on the property, where he will run in the heavy class and try to run a 780 or so. Last year he ran a bunch of string up.
really bad
About
limits.
to show this
So right there, he's gonna call it. We need to fix that.
silly little McLaren.
Didn't go where we wanted it to go, but it got closer. We'll revamp, revisit, and fix it. I don't think he's gonna make another pass
Jason
because of the
fills
cooler
his
issue. But we'll see what's up.
Radiator with bald ears.
Overall, progress is good. We'll have to see that data and judge it from there. But I think we're on the right track. Okay, so I lied. We're going up one more time. I'm gonna stand over here to the corner somewhere and like pretend like I'm not with the car. You guys remember Zach?
In the left lane.
Andy and Mr.
He
Willie.
now has the Mercedes
car.
world record. This
We
car
got Andy and Mike
for
racing each other.
3 years.
Little known fact, the Viper GTS was actually my dream car growing up. Before really I was introduced to Trans Ams. Viper GTS had the wallpapers all over my bedroom and my computer and everything. So love these cars. Never had a chance to own one. I have sat in one once. My buddy Mike here. He'll let me drive it.
Bend in your elbow, just like Wiley's got here. Straight line between the shoulders, never crosses. Because if you throw your hand too far behind you, you just seen all the weight come off of the inside leg, and it's going to throw him off.
Willie! What the hell?
Call me, please.
It went that time.
Huh?
It went that time.
Yeah, where's that?
Willie! What the fuck was that? What the fuck did you do?
I got a beer real quick before he went up button, up
How
button.
did we go from that to that?
100% on the dome.
So that should have been like 18.5 pounds.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Pretty sure Andy's scared the shit.
Oh yeah, I guarantee he's scared as shit right now.
Yeah. Now he needed to pull the chute.
Yeah, no. It's warranted.
Yeah.
Hey, everyone tell him we ran a 10. You don't know. Tell him we ran a 10. I ran a 10-1 at 128.
0%.
That's what it ran.
0%.
That's what it ran.
No.
My ass says different. That motherfucker was moving.
It was 10-1 at 128.
What was it? Huh? What was it? 844. No shit. I knew that.
844, 162.
No shit. I ran out of gear.
I guarantee you
Literally
did.
right at the track. Alright. Like 157. So that means if it's got 355.
130, 60.
Yeah, that's
130.
Yep.
Yeah.
130.
Oh no, the videos will be
Hey.
better on that one.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
I saw you slip it. I heard it. I was like, oh, this is a good one. It's a good
I got
ran a
that
10.
feel for the first
I
time
did not
like,
expect a
with my
24.
stomach in the back of my
I put
Yeah.
it all in the back.
you know,
I just
was
ran
like,
through the
damn,
faster.
all right.
This
could be
Yeah, you're right, man. Way different.
Yeah, but
on
it
the
seats
launch
are like
this time,
330s.
but that was really
You know,
cool.
some 330s, 323s.
Yeah,
It lifted the wheel. I felt
Oh,
it
yeah.
bounce a little bit, but it like composed itself the whole way. Yeah.
How'd that feel, puppy?
Feel good. What was it, 840?
840, 160.
40 or 44? I broke my record then.
844.
That's a personal best.
That's half a
No, you went 82 in the rat rod.
You went 830 something.
No, go on my Instagram. It's 840. At 160. I can
34, you just said, right? What was
just
it?
being a bitch right now.
Does it feel nice and flat
162.
and straight?
Dude, it felt good. Smooth. Rat rod was
Better than the rat rod.
rat rod. 162. I was
I
like,
talked to him last night. He's like, man, I'm kind of.
I was pushing so hard on the brakes to go through the firewall, dude, to get those things to stop. This one, like,
That rat rod
TBS
was a
don't fuck
fucking
around.
trap.
Yeah, it
you know?
was.
I was like, dude, why are you nervous, man? This truck is gonna be way more.
You still don't know.
I did feel that when it went up and it bounced, I was like, okay, that's good. When it went up, I was like, oh, fuck, it's about to go up.
This is what a wheelie.
No, it came straight out. Carried it nice.
Yeah, I did carry it nice.
But like I said, that's not that much on the leaf.
Yeah, we still got a lot more on the leave too, dude.
But that's a real soft leaf.
Great job to Willie, of course, Fuel Injection Specialties in San Antonio. But yeah, he did a great job on the truck. It's fucking rolling, and the great thing is that there's just so much more room. He ran out of gear because the gear isn't set up right. We still got more to give it in the leave. The leave is still kind of slow, and it's got a lot of room. But that's it for now. We're done here. We're gonna get out of here. We'll be back out on the next one once we make some upgrades.